We will start with the second example. Factorize second one, x square minus 10x plus 9. Now first we will compare with ax square plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic trinomial. So if you compare here x square, here x square. So what is going to be the value of a? 1. B is equal to here x, here x. So what is the value of b? Minus 10. Here c is 9. C is equal to 9. Now product is A into C, that is 1 into 9, which is equal to 9. And what is B? Minus 10. We have to find two numbers such that when we multiply we should get 9, when we add or subtract we should get minus 10. So if I take, suppose if I take 9 ones are 9, same numbers, 9 ones are 9, okay, 9 plus 1, 10, but I want minus 10. So I cannot take like this 1 into 9, both positive I cannot take. So what I will need to do, I have to take number like this, minus 1 into minus 9. Now these all rules you should know, minus into minus plus. So this will give me plus 9. So instead of 1 into 9 I need to take it like this, both negative numbers I have to take. So minus 1 minus 9 is same sign. Add, put the same sign. If you know the basics like this, then only you will be able to solve this exercise. Otherwise, no. You cannot solve this exercise without knowing the basics. Basics means of integers, addition and subtraction, multiplication. So this point you should know. Now what we are going to do, we have to split the middle term. We have got our coefficients now. Coefficient means numbers, minus 1 and minus 9. We will split the middle term. How? First I will again write the sum, x square minus 10x plus 9. So here I will write is equal to x square minus 10x. Now minus 10 is what? Minus 1 minus 9. So minus 10x will be what? You will be taking the variable also. Variable will also be considered minus x. Now no need to write minus 1x. If you want you write, but it is not necessary. Minus 9x. Same sign, add and put the same sign. So minus 1x minus 9x minus 10x plus 9. So now here is equal to, from these two, what is common? X is common. So what will remain? Here 1x already taken out. So x square means 1x will be inside. This x is outside. So 1 will come here. X into x, x square minus x into 1, x. Now from these two terms what is common? 9 is common. And minus sign we will take common. Minus 9 into bracket. Already 9 is out. So what will remain? X. Here plus. Plus is what? Plus is minus into minus. This you should know now. See. Plus 9 is given here. Right? Plus 9 we can write it as minus of minus 9. Okay. So this minus is already out. So what will remain? Minus 9. Now check. Minus 9 into x is minus 9x. Minus into minus is going to be plus. So here 9 is out. So here you will have 1. Minus into minus plus. Minus 9 into 1, 9. So this concept you should know, which is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 9. This way you have to learn how to factorize. Now here I am going to show you some examples which are given in your textbook, in your, not your textbook, in the 9th standard textbook, where there is same type of examples are given. You can see here. See. Practice set 3.6. Find the factors of the polynomials given below. See here. 2 is the power 3 terms quadratic trinomial. 2 is the power 3 terms quadratic trinomial. Here also. 2 is the power 3 terms quadratic trinomial. So I am going to show you how these examples we have to solve, so that you will understand that if you learn this concept in 8th standard properly, in 9th also it is there, and I'll show you in your 10th standard textbook also we have these examples. So it is very important to learn the basics.